My name is Ronnie Content. My pronouns are he, him, his, and pride to me means loving yourself and just living your most authentic life. Happy Pride. Hi guys, Ronnie here. Welcome back to the table of content. So, for this mini, I thought what better way to start off Pride Month than a rainbow eye look. Like, I get it, you've seen it a million times. So I'm just gonna show you my variation of a rainbow eye look for this Pride season. Now, before we get going on this rainbow journey, grab your favorite palette, your brushes, anything you may need for this eye look. And as I always say, you better have a primer because you always have time to prime. So, without further ado, if you have all your stuff together, let's get started. Alright, so I already have this eye already primed, my brows done. So with a small packer brush, you're going to just start off with I'd say a medium pinkish shade. Nothing too bright, nothing too dark. So you're going to just tap this right on the inner corner of your crease, keeping it right above the eyelid, and just pack that in, get the color. See how it's like all nice and deep right here on this inner corner. Now you're gonna take a darker purple, I'd say more of a lavender color, and then you're gonna just stamp that right in the middle and blend it all together. Alright, so just like that, focusing more right on the brow bone, not looking to get much fallout. Actually, not too bad actually, not a lot of fallout. So just to stamp that right in and make sure you buff it out so that way you don't have any harsh lines. So blend it right up into the brow bone, just like that. That way it's nice and diffused. And then lastly, we're going to be taking a darker blue. So I'd say this is more like a cobalt. So I'm using the James Charles palette. Don't fit, no. So we're dipping right into this blue shade right down here. On here it's called 𝗂𝗏. So again, just on the outer corner now, you're just gonna focus stamping that and blending. There, just like that. So now after you're done, just gonna cut the crease with more of your concealer, your primer, however you want to do it, but just make sure you cut that crease and make sure it's laid down flat. Moving on now, we are going to be taking a smaller, more pencil-sized brush and going to be dipping into a lighter shade, so more of a sky blue. So just so you can kind of see it like that, sky blue. Going to put that right on the inner corner, so just like you have that all up in the inner corner, we're going to be switching over to a lighter lime green. So we're going to get that on your brush and then right beside it and blend. Once you have that blue right on the inner corner, you're going to be picking up a lighter green shade. I'd say it's more of a lime, so like more of a lime chameleonish kind of green. So then just right on next to it and blend. There you go, kind of see how they mirror next together. Go from blue to green. And see what's next. Yellow, get some amarillo. Alright, once you got your amarillo color together, right next to that green. There we go, coming together swimmingly. Moving on down, happens after yellow, orange. Alright, and to finish up the pièce de résistance, the red right on that outer corner. Ooh, look at that sharp line right there. That's pretty much all the eyeshadow right on top. Alright, so I just finished matching the bottom lash line to the top. I will throw up a picture right here so you can kind of see. But I just gone along the liner with the stipple pencil with a small brush with each color going from blue, green, yellow, orange, and finally red, just to marry it all together. Now all I'm going to do is finish off with some lashes, some liner, match the other eye, and I'll be right back to finish off this short. And with that, the eyes are all set and done. Liner, lashes, which I swear make a hell of a difference. Like, oof, look at that. To finish off now, we're just going to take a little bit of NYX Lingerie Lip Gloss in the shade Shy. I'm so shy. And just pop that right on the lips. There, it gives it a little bit of a kiss of pink, a little bit of sultriness, a little bit of pinkiness. Not too bad. But guys, I think that is it for this mini. Hope you guys enjoyed yourselves. I know I did. Coming along to create this fantastic eye makeup for Pride Month. I know we didn't do the rest of the face as we usually do, but you figure, you know what? If I'm just going out on the town, this is good. I'd wear this. But as always, make sure you click like, comment down below, click that subscribe button if you want to join the Table of Content family, and so you never miss one of my uploads, click that bell icon so you're always notified. I'll see you guys in my next video, but as always, have a great, safe, happy Pride Month.